In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign the correct account to a transaction in QuickBooks. This is a simple process, but it's one of the most important habits to get right because the account you choose determines how your financial reports tell the story of your business. Let's walk through it together so you feel confident every time you enter a transaction. Start by opening the transaction you're working on in QuickBooks. This could be an expense, a check, a bill, a bank feed entry, or a sales form. Look for the field labeled Account or Category. Depending on the screen, it may appear in a line called Category Details or simply as Category on Bank Feed Items. If you're on a sales form that uses products and services, you'll still see an area where the income account is tied to each item, but for basic entries, focus on the account or category field you see on the form. Click the drop-down inside that field. When you do, you'll see your chart of accounts. This is the complete list of accounts your company uses to track money in and out, as well as what you own and owe. You can scroll through the list or start typing to search for a match. Each account has a type such as expense, income, asset, liability, or equity. Keeping an eye on the type helps you pick the most accurate fit. Now select the account that best reflects the nature of the transaction. If you paid a utility bill, choose your utilities expense. If you received money for a service you provide, choose the appropriate income account. Buying equipment you'll use for over a year usually belongs in a fixed asset account. If it's inventory, be sure you're using the correct inventory or cost of goods sold accounts as set up in your file. Try to avoid vague buckets like uncategorized expense or uncategorized income. They make reports harder to trust later. And be cautious with accounts receivable and accounts payable. Those are typically used by invoices and bills, not general cash transactions. With the account chosen, complete the rest of the transaction details. Add the payee or customer, the date, the amount, and any memo that will help you or your accountant understand the entry later. If your company uses classes or locations, apply them so your reports stay organized. Double-check tax settings if they apply in your region, and attach supporting documents if that's part of your workflow. When everything looks accurate, save the transaction. QuickBooks will record it to the account you selected, keeping your books clean and your reports meaningful. That's all there is to it. With a bit of consistency, choosing the right account becomes second nature, and your financial data stays reliable.